Johnny. Something has happened.
We're in Iowa. Ain't nothing happening around here.
That's why this is bigger than big.
Tell me. I'm ripe to know.
It happened earlier this afternoon. I was standing there behind a counter, reading my Us Weekly, when I heard the front door open. I looked up and there he was. A stranger.
You mean like one of them drifter types?
No. This stranger had purpose. On top of that, he was dressed to the nines. Even had on some Ray-Bans.
My word. What in the world did he want?
At first I wasn't sure. He was sort of wandering the aisles aimlessly. But after a while, he picked a VHS, came right up to the counter, took off him sunglasses, and lo and behold I realized who he was.
Who?
Kevin Costner.
You mean that fancy actor?
The one and only.
So tell me the whole thing. From start to finish.
Well, like I said. He rented a movie.
Which one? No wait. Let me guess. Rambo? Apocalypse Now? Something with John Wayne?
Breakfast at Tiffany's.
You're kidding me?
Confessed to me right then and there that he's a regular Audrey Hepburn aficionado.
Kevin Costner told you that?
More that he told me why he's in town.
You mean he ain't just passing through?
He's here shooting a big Hollywood film. He told me all about it over some ice cream.
Excuse me?
It's gonna be a film about baseball.
No. I mean the other part. Where you and he ate ice cream.
Come on now. It was nothing.
Then I'm sure you won't mind telling me all about it.
Well, he was paying for his movie. And he said, boy sure is a hot one today. Then he said he could sure go for some ice cream on a day like today. But he didn't know where. I told him about Ruth's Malt Shop on Main. He said he'd buy me a couple of scoops if I showed him the way.
I'll bet he did.
What's the big deal?
You're eating ice cream with Kevin Costner, and you don't see what the big deal is?
It was nothing.
You've got to realize that's how these fancy Hollywood types operate. One step leads to another.
It wasn't like that at all. Besides, he told me he's a happily married man.
He told you that over ice cream?
He told me that in his trailer.
What the fuck are you talking about?
We were talking about his movie, and I told him I never saw a movie set before, much less a movie star's trailer, so he volunteered to show me.
I've heard just about enough of this bullshit.
Look. I know how it sounds.
Then you understand why I'll need to take back my engagement ring.
You can't be serious.
What are people going to think if I'm engaged to a woman that ate ice cream with Kevin Costner, much less went in his trailer? I'll never be able to work in the fields again without hearing the fellas talk the talk.
I thought you were bigger than caring what the fellas think.
In this town a man's got to keep his reputation intact.
Well, good. I have no interest in marrying a narrow-minded man who can't understand that when something out of the ordinary happens, you have to look past yourself and see the bigger picture.
When you put it like that, maybe I'm being a bit silly.
You're being sillier than silly.
I just get nervous. I'm just an ordinary fella. How am I supposed to compete with a worldly man like Kevin Costner?
You're not. Because I only have eyes for you.
Promise me the whole thing was innocent, and I'll get past it.
I swear it was. Even Mr. Costner said so himself.
He told you that in his trailer?
He told me that in his bed.